ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ណឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំអាយុ14ហើយសប្តាហ៍នេះខ្ញុំរៀននៅអនុវិទ្យាល័យវាយធំខ្ញុំរៀនថ្នាក់ទី 9A ខ្ញុំសប្តាហ៍នេះខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តមុខវិជ្ជាខ្មែរនិងអង់គ្លេសតែអង់គ្លេសរៀនតែអត់សូវចេះខ្ញុំគិតថាចង់រៀនបន្តទៅមុខរហូតតែស្ថានភាពគ្រួសារវាអត់សូវអានេះទៅ
That's why impact evaluation very important. Try to identify what works, what does not work, what should be improved. We found that school attendance increase, and school enrollment increase, and decrease in terms of repetition and dropout, especially girls.
The finding of impact evaluation show that even $45 scholarship has same impact as $60 scholarship. So government make decision to use only $45 scholarship for its nationwide program in order to cover much more number of students within their limited resources. ហារូបករណ៍ដែលខ្ញុំបានសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃនេះគឺជួយជីវភាពខ្ញុំខ្លះគឺយកមកទៅម៉ែខ្ញុំគិតយកទៅទិញសម្ភារៈឲ្យខ្ញុំទៅរៀនទិញខោអាវទិញអុយឲ្យខ្ញុំទៅរៀន It's really very happy when you see the face of the student, you see the face of the mothers or grandmother. They're feeling that how important the scholarship can help the student to retain in school. តែគិតខ្ញុំចង់រៀនឲ្យបានចប់ទៅធ្វើការងារឲ្យខ្ញុំដូរជីវភាពពីនេះទៅឲ្យបានក្រិនបើបន្តិច